We're here. We've arrived. Round 2, Klutch Kickers. We have some stuff to do, but we've made it here safely. We got to set up, put a windshield in the car. You know, normal pre-event stuff when you're at the track. You have gloves? Oh my god. No, I don't break our neck rope. That's what I need, isn't it? One you see and then I'm down here.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty much lined up on the mark.
Good?
Yeah. Yep. Little hash.
Yeah, you guys brought your own trash can?
Yeah.
I just saw it. It's like a branded trash can.
It's actually like 4 years old.
We got the window in and the glue's drying. It says, I think like 24 hours it's supposed to cure, but it'll be like 18 hours before it's driven. It'll be close enough. But we got it in, so we can go past tech. Woohoo! Woohoo! Now we're gonna finish setting up the pit area and hang out for the rest of the day. Watch other people drive again.
Put pins in?
Never again. Day 2, Klutch Kickers. Day 1 also, kind of. Yesterday is just like load in and tech, and if you pay for like the Friday paid practice, you get to drive. But that wasn't in the budget. We got here, we went through tech, we put the windshield in. I guess we will put the windshield in, then we went through tech. Went through the car, checked everything, made sure it was good for today. Buttoning up the last little stuff before the driver's meeting, then out to practice. I'm excited.
Not feeling the rest of the one.
We just got done with a driver's meeting. Went over the track layout and what the judges were looking for. We're in Group B, so we got a little time to finish setting the car up, get the drivetrain warmed up, get ready to go out for practice. Oh, why did Dylan go?
Bobby's tried to kiss me. I am mad at it.
Yes, stop working.
In our little trench. Just came in from our practice session, the one right before qualifying. We did 4 laps, I think. 1 solo lap. I dirt dropped a little bit, pushed a little too hard, learning new tires. Then we followed a couple people, 2 of which spun in front of us, and one of them went off. So we got some interesting data, and we're gonna go into qualifying like that for better or worse. Checked everything between practice and qualifying. Everything's good, everything's ready to go, and we're about to go out for our qualifying lap. Hopefully the only one. just got done with our qualifying run. I made a couple mistakes and it was a little bit of a conservative run, but we scored a 78, which I think safely puts us in the top 40 so we don't make a second one. So I hate kind of doing a conservative run on the first one, but it's safe and it gets you in. So I had to dial it back and tell myself to take it easy. Take it easy. I was expecting her to acknowledge that. So we found out that we're not in the bottom, whatever, 30 or whatever, that has to do a second qualifying run. So we're safe. We got a 78. I don't know where that puts us exactly, but we moved into competition. All right. So it's probably gonna, well, it's definitely gonna rain. My car has no windows, and we have an open trailer. Caitlin and I fashioned windows out of the plastic that came with the windshield. Just got back from the driver's meeting, qualified 13, and I'm going up against a guy with an 8K Series S13. I've never driven with him, so it should be an interesting battle. Just made it through top 30 to 62, top 62,
Top 64.
64, one of the first round of battles. We won, we advanced, we get to drive tomorrow. I'm very excited. So now we're anxiously watching this battle to see who I have. I'm very excited, but we're gonna pack up because it's raining. Practice before 32. Did 2 chases and a lead. The lead was the best one of the whole weekend so far. Over-celebrated, partied up the bank. Bumper was kind of falling off, got snatched under. So we're down a bumper. But we're up some confidence, so we're feeling good. We're ready for 32. She's going back on.
I'm sorry.
Finish practice. Went over the car, checked everything, nut and bolted everything, cruise ripping. ready to go for top 32. So, our day's done, unfortunately, but we had a good battle in 32. The guy I was battling had some mechanical failures. I put down two good laps, and we moved on. In the 16, we had Adam LZ, and he's always a threat, always a possible winner for the event. So we pushed hard. I made a couple mistakes. He won, unfortunately, but I'll make some improvements to the car and come back swinging. I just wanted to thank these guys. I don't know where Chris is, but Chris also. All of them. And Caitlin, turn the camera around. Fucking nerd. Absolute beauties.
Very sweaty. Real wet.
Best team on the planet.
Pretty wet.